Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new kit and a new brand for the first time. The Vettsy Baby Boomer Polygel Kit. I have it right here. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing first. Super cute packaging already with just like the little plant, the cosmetic tubes, cute. So it just says fun and colorful. Nail journey starts here and it has their socials down there. And here's the inside of the box. We have an instruction manual, a thank you card, and some nail stickers. This is what it looks like as soon as you open up the bubble wrap. I'm gonna push it to the side and pull things out and show you one by one. We have some foils. This is silver, and then this looks like a rose gold. And then we have some multicolored foil, some gold, and some more silver. There's also these really pretty pixie crystals. Here's a better view. You get some tweezers, cuticle oil, some more nail art stickers. We have some black ones, gold ones, flowers, and some animal print. All right, so this next thing is standing out to me. There's nail tips and dual forms. So I really like that they include full cover tips, not just dual forms. That's really great. Most kits don't. And we have some forms. So we have all the different application methods. There is a clip in here to hold your dual forms. So it's slip solution, base and top coat, your polygel brush, some rhinestones, as well as some really fun glitters. There's a 100-180 grit hand file. And lastly, we have all of the polygels. So there's 8 polygels. I'm gonna take them all out of their package and swatch them all for you. And this is PL05. I'm assuming it's clear and they all come sealed. PL02, GL09, PL04, Hot Cocoa, Flamingo, Peach Tea, and Firefly. Okay, so here's what we have. I love all of the colors. I love that it came with your staples, white and clear. I love that there's glitters and some nudes and a really pretty pink. This is definitely the perfect color mixture for a baby boomer set. Very fitting. So let's go ahead and get into the set. So I won't be prepping in this video because I have peel off base coat on my nails right now. So I can peel these off in a couple days. So I'm gonna go right into base coat and then applying my tips. I love the packaging. I love the black and white and just how sleek it is. Okay, time to apply my tip. I'm going to be using these tips from the Attitude Shop. They are XXL coffin style tips. I'm going to be using some glue to apply these. I would use these, but I'm craving long nails today. But I did check these out and I want to mention that it seems like these run a bit small. The biggest size just like barely fits my thumb, and I know there are people who have bigger nail beds than I do, so just something for you to know about the dual forms and how they may or may not fit you. All right, so I went ahead and put my tips on off camera and cut them down to the length I want. I pour out some slip solution. Okay, so this is a baby boomer kit, so of course I have to do some type of ombre, so I'm going to be using the white, which is the PL02. I'm placing this on my pointer finger and pat this down. First thing you want to do is move the product from side to side and then start dragging that product up. I didn't do a whole lot of white because we want to keep this part thin. We're just worried about getting the design on here with the white and the nude after this. We're not worried about any structure, so this layer is going to be super thin, and the layer after that will create the strength and structure we need. And now I'm going to drag down this product. It's a soft consistency, so I'm not having any problems pushing or pulling it, but I'm also noticing that it's not like so soft to where it can't hold its shape. Definitely giving me good first impression. Now that I have that bottom area all blended out, that's gonna get covered, so I don't really care about how it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this up and then cure it. Moving into Peach Tea, I'm gonna do the ombre with this, placing the nude a little bit above my cuticle. First thing I always do is push the product from sidewall to sidewall. Then I'm going to push down some product towards the cuticle. I'm just using patting motions to do this, to make slight movements so I don't get too much product down there too fast. Showing you up close that I didn't smooth in the product into my skin all the way. I'm going to do that later. Sometimes polygel can settle after you've moved it into place, so I'm going to work on the fade right now, and then later we have enough product down there and we'll just smooth it out right before we cure. Okay, so now I'm just going to drag the top of the bead up, making sure that I have like a line of product. Now I'm going to use some pressure and I'm going to fade that up into the white. And I'm just going to play around with this until it's perfect. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And that blend was so easy to do. The polygel is like a really nice creamy consistency. I love it. Popping this in the lamp to cure. So looking at it from the side, you can see I don't have much of an apex, which the apex is the thickest point of the nail, which is also the strongest. You want it to be right here where your natural nail stops so that it's strong in the areas where it might break. So we're going to fill in that gap with some clear. The clear is for structure. Another reason you want to cover this in clear is because the very top layer of this nail is the blend that we created, and when we go to file, if we didn't cover it in clear, we'd be filing away the blend we worked so hard to get. So instead, when it's time to file, we will be filing the clear, and it won't alter the design underneath. So I'm just keeping most of the product in the middle of the nail, just kind of spreading out the edges so that we can create that apex. Okay, everything's blended. I'm just cleaning up the shape and making sure that it's all smooth. So here's what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. I can say that that clear is pretty clear. I feel like it covered up this design really nice without clouding the fade. I also forgot to mention that these bottles are 15 milliliters, which is not a full size polygel. It's more like a half size, but you get so many colors to choose from, so that's great. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is covering my middle finger in white polygel. So I'm just placing a bead of product, a really long one, over my nail. And I'm just going to press out the edges of this bead and spread it out to the edges of my nail without flattening everything in the center, because again, we want to create some structure. We want to create an apex. So I went around the cuticle, and now I'm just patting the edges of this product side to side. The product's all spread out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up anything that's touching my skin. Now with this white, I'm noticing that it is running a little bit. It wasn't on this nail, but now that I brought it all the way to the edges and especially around the cuticle, I can see that it's kind of settling into areas that I didn't place the product in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that up. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'm doing the exact same thing to my pinky. And I'm going to do the exact same thing to this nail as well, but with this glitter. This is the GL09. It's this really pretty silver. I was dying to use it. But you guys have seen me do this process on my middle finger and my pinky, so I'm going to do it off camera. Nail, super sparkly. I'm going to go ahead and do this last one. I saved it for last because this nail has a couple of steps to it. First, doing the V shape with the nude. I'm just pressing it out side to side, bringing some product down towards the cuticle. And now I'm just dragging some product up directly in the center, and I'm also going to be using a lot of slip solution. As I'm dragging up, I'm going to be pushing product from the outside towards the middle to create that V shape, and I'm just kind of going back and forth from those motions. Now with this pink part, I'm not blending it directly into the nail. As you can see, there's some height there. It's not smoothed in because we're going to be filing this V shape and making it super crisp, and we can't do that if it's smoothed into the nail completely. So instead, we're going to be crispening up that shape. So I'm just cleaning off that sticky layer with some alcohol. We're going to put it right against the edge of this V and crispen it up, so when we lay our other products, we have a really nice shape. And now I'm going to use that same glitter that's on this nail and apply a little bit right here, a little bit over here. And I want this to outline the nude, and then the white is going to fill in the rest of the space. So I'm just making sure to get it in all the corners. And then once I have the product laid, I will fix up the shape. First, I'm going to reshape the nails with this, getting back that crisp coffin shape. Then I'll be using my Kiara Sky Smooth Top Fine drill bit to clean up the cuticle and the surface of the nail. Just going along all the edges of the nail with the file. So I went ahead and filed up the rest of the nails. I'm just gonna clean this up with some alcohol. And here's what we're working with. They're looking so cute. So now it's time for the fun part, which is just decorating. I don't have too much planned that I want to do. The first thing I want to do is use these pixie crystals, place some gemstones around my nails, and maybe one of these stickers. I don't know yet. But while I do that, I'm going to talk about how I feel about this kit and just my final review. So starting with the actual kit itself, I really liked it. The packaging's just so classy with the black and white. It's just super sleek. The products look so fancy. Everything feels like it's nice quality. Like even the bottles, they don't feel like they're cheaply made. I really love everything that came with the kit. I thought that it was pretty loaded. It did not come with a lamp, but one of my favorite things was the tips and the dual forms. I liked all the nail art that came with it. I personally built up my nail art collection over time and on my own dime. So I love when brands load up their kits with nail art. It was definitely an all-in-one kit. It had just about everything you would need. Of course, it came with 8 polygels. Like I said earlier, I think it was a great mix. Super fun. You get a little bit of everything and you definitely get the staples that you need. Now let's get into the actual quality of the polygels. I personally liked them. Some of the polygels definitely had different consistencies from others. I've noticed that the ones that have the stripe on it, they were a much different consistency than the other ones. I felt like they were a little bit easier to use, and because they really only moved when you moved it. So like the clear and the white, those are very soft and runny, really easy to push and pull around, but it did settle into the creases at times. And the glitter polygels resembled the consistency of the clear, which was very soft. However, it was super sticky, but regardless of the consistency, I felt like they were all pretty high quality. I would say the white was my least favorite to work with, but it still felt like it was of good quality. Here's the final result. They're so cute. I really like these nails. I think it's so fitting for the kit since it's called the Baby Boomer Kit. I love the white and the nude together. And of course the glitter and the gems and the pixie crystals. I think they are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. And I really like the shape too. Like I said, I did enjoy this kit. I would recommend this kit. The only thing I can't touch on is the longevity of these nails and the products because I will be taking these off soon. I can only imagine that they're going to last you a long time. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!